Buying your first used car is exciting, but it can also be overwhelming. With so many choices on the market, it's easy to end up with a car that looks like a great deal, but turns into an expensive mistake. In this video, we'll look at some of the best used cars for first-time buyers in 2026. These vehicles were chosen for their proven reliability, strong safety ratings, affordable ownership costs, and overall value, making them excellent options for new drivers and anyone shopping for their first used car. And be sure to stay until the end, because we'll also share a few essential buying tips that could help you avoid costly surprises before you make your purchase. How we chose these cars. Before we get into the list, it's important to understand how these cars were selected. Buying your first used car isn't just about finding the lowest price. A vehicle that seems like a bargain today can quickly become expensive if it's unreliable or costly to maintain. That's why every car on this list was selected based on 5 key factors: proven reliability, strong safety ratings, reasonable maintenance costs, good fuel economy, and solid long-term value. The goal is simple: to help first-time buyers find a used car that's dependable, affordable to own, and enjoyable to drive for years to come. Number 4. Ford Fiesta, 2015 to 2019 models, especially manual transmission. Number 4. The 2015 to 2019 Ford Fiesta. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-drive used car, the Ford Fiesta can be a practical option, especially for buyers who choose a well-maintained manual transmission model. Its compact size, responsive handling, and excellent fuel economy make it especially suitable for first-time buyers who spend most of their time driving in the city or commuting short distances. Why it's recommended. One of the Fiesta's biggest strengths is its low cost of ownership. Its small size makes it easy to park, simple to maneuver through traffic, and inexpensive to run, helping new drivers keep everyday expenses under control. Replacement parts are widely available and routine maintenance is generally affordable, making it an appealing choice for buyers on a limited budget. However, buyers should be aware that not all Fiesta models are equally recommended. Manual transmission versions generally have a better reliability reputation, while automatic models equipped with Ford's PowerShift dual-clutch transmission have been associated with transmission concerns. Things to check before buying. Before purchasing a used Fiesta, pay close attention to the transmission type and service history. If you're considering an automatic model, make sure the vehicle has a documented repair history and verify that any recommended transmission updates or repairs have been completed. A thorough pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic is always a smart investment, especially when buying a lower-priced used vehicle. Ownership costs. Aside from potential transmission concerns on certain automatic models, the Fiesta is generally inexpensive to own. Fuel costs are low, maintenance is straightforward, and insurance rates are often affordable for first-time drivers. For buyers who choose the right version and maintain it properly, the Fiesta can provide very affordable transportation. Best for. The Ford Fiesta is a good choice for students, young professionals, and anyone looking for an economical daily commuter that's easy to drive and inexpensive to maintain. It is especially suitable for buyers who prioritize affordability, fuel efficiency, and simple transportation over performance or extra features. Quick verdict. If your priority is keeping ownership costs low while driving a practical and fuel-efficient car, the 2015 to 2019 Ford Fiesta can still be a solid option. However, choosing the right version is important. Manual transmission models are generally the safer choice, while automatic PowerShift-equipped models should be inspected carefully before purchase. Number 3. Mazda 3. 2014 to 2018 models 3rd generation. Number 3. The 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3. If you want a used car that feels more refined than its price suggests, the 3rd generation Mazda 3 is one of the strongest choices in this segment. With its attractive styling, high-quality interior, responsive handling, and reliable Skyactiv engines, the Mazda 3 offers an excellent combination of practicality and driving enjoyment, making it a great option for first-time buyers. Why it's recommended. One of the Mazda 3's biggest advantages is that it provides a more premium driving experience without the premium ownership costs. The interior feels upscale compared with many competitors. The steering is precise, and the suspension delivers a good balance between comfort and handling. Most models from these years are powered by Mazda's Skyactiv G naturally aspirated engines, which are known for their efficiency and solid reliability when properly maintained. Safety is another major strength. Depending on the trim level, many Mazda 3 models are available with features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a rear-view camera. Things to check before buying. Before purchasing a used Mazda 3, inspect the vehicle's maintenance history and overall condition. Check for regular oil changes, brake service, and suspension maintenance, especially on higher mileage examples. During the test drive, pay attention to unusual noises from the suspension, wheel bearings, or steering components, as these areas can require attention as the vehicle ages. A pre-purchase inspection is still recommended to make sure the vehicle has been properly maintained. Ownership costs. The Mazda 3 is generally affordable to maintain, with widely available replacement parts and good fuel economy. While maintenance costs may be slightly higher than some competitors like the Toyota Corolla, the Mazda 3 offers additional driving enjoyment and a more refined interior, while still keeping ownership expenses reasonable. Combined with strong reliability and good resale value, it provides excellent long-term value for first-time buyers. Best for, the Mazda 3 is ideal for drivers who want more than basic transportation. It's a great fit for young professionals, daily commuters, and anyone looking for a reliable used car that also delivers a more enjoyable driving experience. Quick verdict: if you appreciate a comfortable interior, confident handling, and a more refined feel without spending too much, the 2014 to 2018 Mazda 3 is one of the best choices for a first-time buyer. Just remember, condition matters more than the badge on the hood. A Mazda 3 with complete service records and proper maintenance history will always be the smarter purchase. Number 2, Toyota Corolla, 2015 to 2019 models. Number 2, the 2015 to 2019 Toyota Corolla. When it comes to choosing a first used car, reliability is often the most important factor, and that's where the Toyota Corolla has built its legendary reputation. Known for durability, low maintenance costs, excellent fuel economy, and strong resale value, the Corolla remains one of the safest choices for anyone buying their first vehicle. Why it's recommended. The biggest reason many first-time buyers choose the Corolla is its proven long-term reliability. The 2015 to 2019 models are powered by Toyota's dependable 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, known for simple engineering and the ability to handle years of daily driving with proper maintenance. The Corolla is also extremely practical. It offers comfortable seating, excellent fuel economy, easy-to-find replacement parts, and a reputation that helps it maintain its value better than many competitors. For buyers who want a vehicle with fewer surprises and predictable ownership costs, the Corolla is one of the easiest recommendations to make. Things to check before buying. Even though the Corolla has an excellent reliability record, a used vehicle should always be inspected before purchase. Check the service history to confirm regular oil changes and routine maintenance were completed. It's also important to inspect the brakes, tires, suspension components, and look for signs of previous accidents or poor repairs. For CVT-equipped models, make sure the transmission operates smoothly and check whether proper maintenance has been performed. A reliable model can still become expensive if it has been neglected by previous owners. Ownership costs. One of the Corolla's biggest advantages is its affordable ownership experience. Maintenance costs are typically low, fuel economy is excellent, and Toyota parts are widely available across the country. Insurance costs are also often reasonable, making the Corolla a smart choice for drivers who want predictable expenses and fewer unexpected repairs. Best for, the Toyota Corolla is ideal for students, young professionals, commuters, and anyone who wants a dependable vehicle that simply works every day. It's especially appealing for buyers who value reliability, low ownership costs, and a vehicle they can keep for many years. Quick verdict: if your priority is choosing a first used car with a strong reliability record, affordable maintenance, and excellent long-term value, the 2015 to 2019 Toyota Corolla is one of the easiest choices to recommend. Remember, the best used car is not always the cheapest one you can find. A Corolla with complete service records and proper maintenance history will usually be a smarter investment than a cheaper example with an unknown background. Number 1. Honda Civic, 2014 to 2019 models, LX and EX trims. And finally, number 1 on our list, the 2014 to 2019 Honda Civic. When it comes to finding the best used car for first-time buyers, the Honda Civic checks nearly every box. It offers excellent reliability, strong fuel economy, impressive safety features, and a driving experience that makes it easy to recommend for almost any type of driver. Why it's recommended. The biggest strength of the Civic is its balance. Whether you choose the proven 1.8-liter engine from earlier models, the efficient 2.0-liter engine, or a properly maintained 1.5-liter turbo model, the Civic offers a strong combination of reliability, practicality, and everyday usability. The interior is comfortable and well-designed. The controls are easy to use, and the car provides enough space for daily commuting, weekend trips, and everyday errands. Honda's strong reputation for durability has helped the Civic remain one of the most popular choices in the used car market for decades. Things to check before buying. Before buying a used Civic, it's important to look beyond the vehicle's reputation and inspect the specific car you're considering. Check the maintenance history, verify that routine services were completed, and pay attention to the condition of the transmission, suspension, brakes, and air conditioning system. For 1.5-liter turbocharged models, make sure the engine has been properly maintained and that regular oil changes were performed consistently. For CVT-equipped models, confirm that the transmission operates smoothly and that the vehicle has been properly serviced. A pre-purchase inspection is always recommended, especially when buying a higher mileage example. Ownership costs. The Civic is one of the easiest cars to own because maintenance is affordable, replacement parts are widely available, and fuel economy is excellent. It also holds its value well, which means owners can often recover more of their investment when it's time to sell or upgrade. For first-time buyers, that combination of low running costs and strong resale value makes the Civic a very smart financial choice. Best for. The Honda Civic is a great choice for students, young professionals, commuters, and small families who want a reliable vehicle that can handle almost anything daily driving requires. It's especially suitable for buyers who want a car that is practical today, but still enjoyable to own for many years. Quick verdict. If you want one used car that combines reliability, affordability, safety, fuel economy, and everyday practicality, the 2014 to 2019 Honda Civic remains one of the strongest choices for a first-time buyer. However, remember that condition matters more than the badge on the hood. A well-maintained Civic with complete service history will always be the better purchase than a neglected example with fewer miles. After looking at these 4 great options, the best used car for a first-time buyer really depends on what you need most. If reliability and low ownership costs are your top priorities, the Toyota Corolla is one of the safest choices you can make. If you want a more refined interior and a more enjoyable driving experience, the Mazda 3 is an excellent option. If you need an affordable and practical city car, the Ford Fiesta can be a smart choice when you find a well-maintained example. But if you want the best overall balance of reliability, safety, fuel economy, and everyday practicality, the Honda Civic remains one of the strongest choices for first-time buyers. Remember, the best used car is not just about choosing the right model. It's about finding the right vehicle with a good maintenance history and a condition that matches your needs. Budget for insurance, fuel, maintenance, registration, and unexpected repairs. Because the cheapest car to buy is not always the cheapest car to own. A reliable vehicle with reasonable running costs is often the smarter choice in the long term. Thanks for watching Used Car Guide. If you're looking for more helpful buying advice, check out our other videos where we compare the best used cars, most reliable vehicles, and cars you should avoid before buying.